Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Anupama Verma from Cook and Fresh Bakes. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload new videos. So friends, today I am showing you all natural peanut butter at home in just 1 minute. Peanut butter at home is so simple and easy. Store-bought peanut butters may contain added refined sugars, refined oils and unsaturated fats and even preservatives which are very unhealthy for our body. No extra oil, no added sugar, yet thick and creamy and natural. But when we make it at home, it's just wholesome of peanuts and a pinch of salt. The high protein and healthy natural oils helps in weight loss by suppressing our hunger. The fat in natural homemade peanut butter is heart healthy, monosaturated fats. Let's get started with the recipe.
To make peanut butter, roast 2 cups of peanuts. Roasting peanuts will only take time. If you have roasted peanut with you, it will also help in making peanut butter. I don't have roasted peanuts, so I am roasting peanuts on a low flame. Make sure that the flame is low. Once the peanuts get roasted, remove the skin by rubbing them with your hands. Or you can put all the peanuts in a kitchen towel and rub them with fingers. Sieve the peanuts if all the peels haven't removed. I am using wet and dry grinder to grind peanuts. Pulse the mixie for a couple of times. I just done it 3 times. And you can see that peanuts are nicely crushed. Mix with a spoon and then mix again. Grind on the first speed. After 30 seconds, oil started releasing out.
So our homemade instant peanut butter is ready within 1 minute. I've added 1 pinch of Himalayan pink salt to it, and if you want to add sugar, you can add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and if you want to flavor it, you can add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder into it to make it chocolatey. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload my new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.